So good morning, y'all. Let me like turn it like this way. Okay. Good morning, y'all. So this is Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. So I'm doing my first reading vlog. I plan to like film a bunch of like different booktube videos and stuff over the next few days and get them up and posted and have a schedule and all that. So yeah, this is my first reading vlog. Hey, I'm Maya and it's Christmas. Like I said, I got my hot cocoa. I'm back at home. I'm not at college right now. And this is my first Christmas where I'm like not spending it with my whole family. I'm just spending it with my mom and I'm like really happy about it, honestly. So yeah, I'm doing reading vlogs to show you like, I'm out of breath. Whew. I'm doing a reading vlog just because I feel like I want to read a lot today. I got a lot of books for Christmas and there's a lot of books I want to read. So I might as well do a reading vlog, so let's just do that. So let's talk about, I'm going to do all the books that I haven't read first. So this is the books that I got for Christmas. I got The Sun Is Also a Star by Nicole Yoon. Read this, loved it. I'm pretty sure I gave this 5 stars. The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Sylvia Jenkins Reid. Loved it, 5 stars, of course. And then I also, I guess I should talk about what they're about. So The Sun Is Also a Star is about this girl who's Jamaican, whose family's about to get deported, and like this is her like last attempt to get her family to stay. And she meets this Korean boy who whose family owned like a natural hair beauty supply store, I guess, or whatever. And yeah, it's just about like them meeting and like their experience on this one day. Loved it. It was great. It like really made me think about like life and how like every decision you make can like impact it, and like it's just super freaking fascinating. And The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Everybody knows this is a great book. It's amazing. This book is about Evelyn Hugo, who's like this movie star, and she has 7 husbands, and it's about like explaining why does she have 7 husbands? Who are these 7 husbands? Loved it. And then I read Training School for Negro Girls by Camille Acker. Loved this. This is a short story about like black girls and black women, and it's set in the DC area. So good, literally so good. And I love that Camille Acker went to Howard, which is a historically black university. And that's where I go to, well, I don't go to Howard, but I go to historically black university. So I just love that rep and Own Voices. Amazing, literally so great. Okay, so then I got Well Read Black Girl, which, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm completely like sure what this is. I think this is like a collection of short stories by different black women so that we can get introduced to different black authors, black women authors. So it's called Well Read Black Girl, yeah, an anthology, finding our stories, discovering ourselves. And this is by Glory Edom. So super excited about that. So then every year I get Diary of a Wimpy Kid, so I'm excited to get this. So this is Diary of a Wimpy Kid, a Wrecking Ball. Super excited to read this. I'm just gonna like fly through this because it's, you know, it's not that long. It's like 217 pages. All right, love you, bye. So I'm gonna like fly through that. And then I started reading this already. I'm at page 51. This is Pumpkinheads by Rainbow Rowell. I've heard so much about Rainbow Rowell, and I've heard so much about this book, so I'm like, I really wanted to read this. So I'm reading this right now. This is the first one I plan to get through today. Yeah, I think this is gonna be done within like the next hour. So I'm super excited to read this. I know this is like funny because it's like, it's December, it's like literally the end of December now, but I really wanted to read that. And I'm also reading, it's called like the Bromance Book Club or something like that. I'm reading that right now on my Kindle. So yeah, got my yum hot cocoa, so I'm just gonna get into reading. No, I'm not, I just got food, I forgot. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna watch some booktube, and then I'm gonna read. So I'll be back when I'm reading. Okay, so it's 1:30. I just finished Pumpkinheads at like 8, set up my mom's iPad and stuff. So I finished that. I'm gonna take a little bit of a nap, and then I think I'm gonna start reading. I think I want to read a little bit more Bromance Book Club. Yeah, I think I'm gonna read some more Bromance Book Club. I think I'm at like, let me figure out what percentage I'm at. I'll be back when I find my iPad. I mean my Kindle. Okay, so I'm on page, ignore that. I'm on page 12, and I want to get to like maybe like page 50 before I take a nap, so then go to sleep and then have made some progress. So, and then I'm gonna like actually like kind of put on clothes and do something with my life. So I will talk to you guys once I have like a real update. Oh, I didn't even talk about the book. I guess we could talk about the book, about Pumpkinheads. So this was super duper cute. I'm like literally in my onesie right now. It's Christmas, so you can do whatever. So literally this is so cute. Like, I love the artwork on it. It's literally gorgeous. It's a graphic novel, so you know, like, it was really, really quick to read. It was only, how many pages was it? It was 210-ish, 11-ish, around there. Really, really cute. This actually has like a little weight to it. It's a little heavy. I would read this like every year for like around Halloween time because it's just so cute. And yeah, like how everyone says they want to go visit the pumpkin grounds. Like, yeah, I want to go visit the pumpkin grounds. I really like it. I like want like an update on their story, so hopefully there'll be like a Pumpkinheads like 2 or something, or Santa's elves or something like that, like something different regarding them. It's super predictable. Like literally exactly what I thought was gonna happen is what happened, which is why it's like not like a 5 stars, but it's like it's really, really cute and has good rep and stuff in here. So yeah. Hey guys, it's like so many hours later. I have not made a lot of progress reading. Let's see where we're at. We're at page 30, so we've made some progress for the Bromance Book Club. So I want to like take a shower, make some more hot cocoa, and then read more. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna update you guys in the morning of like where I'm at, and then I think I'm gonna get this on audiobook so I can listen to it on my drive to Palm Springs in the morning. So I feel like that's a good idea. But I hope you guys had a great Christmas. You know, you guys are gonna see this way after Christmas. So yeah. Okay, so hey guys, it's Thursday. It's the day after Christmas, and so we're like on our way to Palm Springs, and I read more of the Bromance Book Club. So I'm at like page 80 or so, and okay, I really like the story. I like the characters, except for the wife, Thea. And I'm having a problem because the entire thing is about them and their marriage, and I can't root for her because I don't like her. I feel like she's overreacting, and I feel like she's blaming, what's his name? I'm forgetting his name, but I feel like she's blaming him for everything when I'm like, sis, you can't communicate. Like, how do you expect your partner to know if you won't communicate? And she's being absolutely ridiculous. So we'll do that eventually, but I just can't root for her. It almost made me like want to DNF the book, but I like the story overall, so I think I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna try to finish it, but yeah. Hey, so good morning guys. It's like, what time is it? It's 12:25, so it's like really like afternoon now. So I finished my book last night. I finished the Bromance Book Club, and I liked the ending because I felt like the issues I was having in the book, like with the wife, I feel like they kind of get resolved. So I really did like that. I was getting so freaking annoyed with the wife because I just felt like her reasons for not liking, or not liking, her reasons for being upset just were not valid enough for me. Like, I felt like if anything, she was the problem, and she was putting so much blame on him, and I just didn't think that like he deserved that. And yeah, but I feel like it ended pretty good. The next one is about her sister, and her sister was really annoying, so I don't know if I want to read it. Like, I know the ending will be fine because now I trust her endings, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna read it. But right now, I didn't even expect to read this, but I was like, I don't have anything on YouTube like I particularly like want to watch right now, or any TV shows. So I was like, okay, let me put on like an audiobook. And so I found No Exit on Scribd. And so now I'm just gonna, and then I got the actual ebook on like Overdrive at one of my libraries. And so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna read it. Currently, let's see what page I'm on. Page 12, and it's only 279 pages. So I think I'm gonna like actually just like read this through and see, like read this in one setting and see how it is so far. Like I like it, but yeah, let's just read it. So maybe I should tell you what it's about. So it's about this college student who gets stuck in like a snowstorm, and she goes outside and she sees a little girl like in a cage in a van or in a truck or whatever, and so she's trying to figure out like who is the one that did it and trying to get the girl safe while keeping herself safe. So seems good. Yeah, like let's see how it is. I have my delicious hot cocoa in my little cup, so that's exciting. I got my books and cocoa. I meant to get a clip in here a long time ago, but I got 4 books. I should have been filming so much like longer, but I didn't. Okay, so this library is really, really small. So I was like looking through the catalog for the ones that I actually wanted, and I couldn't even find a lot of them. But I got 4 books. One of them is like really small, like really short. And then I got 3 graphic novels, and then I got Speak. So I should be able to finish all of this before I leave. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I think I'm gonna do a 24-hour readathon. So I'll probably like end this vlog, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, hey guys, so I just got back from the library. I went to 2 libraries because one I use on Overdrive so that I can get like free audiobooks and like free ebooks and stuff. And so I needed I was just using the online library card, and that wasn't working. Like eventually it just stops, it starts tripping. So then I was like, okay, let me get actual library cards so that like when this starts tripping I'll have an account still. So that's what I'm gonna do. And so let me show you guys the books that I got from the library. So these are the ones that are like actual library books. So I got this book here, Speak, by Lori House Anderson. Most people like read this in school, but I didn't have to read this one. So it's basically about this girl who's in high school who she goes to a party and I guess she calls the cops at the party for some reason, and so everybody hates her and like she doesn't talk about what happened. But when she finally talks about what happened, it's supposed to be like this really big crazy thing. So super excited about that. And then I heard a lot of people talking about Stargirl, because I guess everybody had to read this for school too. I didn't have to read this, so it's really short. Oh, Speak is only like 200 pages, and then Stargirl is like, let's see, I think she's about 200 pages too. So I think I'm gonna like breeze through these 2 today. I think I'm just gonna breeze through and get these done. And then I told you guys like I was listening to No Exit, so I'm gonna get that done today too. And then I got 2 graphic novels. So this one's actually on my TBR and Goodreads. This is Sheets, yeah. Sheets, it's a graphic novel. I don't think it'll be like, it's kind of thick, but it's a graphic novel, so I'm like, I know I'll be able to read this quickly. And then I also got, oh, Sheets is about like this 13-year-old girl who, she runs her family's laundromat, and like this ghost who does like pure death, what do they call it? Like, no, pure, they're called like little like death therapy groups or whatever. So like it's a pure therapy group for dead kids. So it seems really interesting. Like look at it, it looks like super cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then I got this book called Illegal, and it's about this guy. I don't really know what it's about, but I think it's basically about this guy whose brother is trying to leave Ghana, and he doesn't want to be left behind. So it's like his journey, I think. I thought it would be like really like a hard-hitting book, so I was like, okay, I want to read this. This is another graphic novel. So those are the ones that are actual library books. And then I bought this one because they had a little boutique in one of them, a little book boutique. So this was 50 cents, and this is, why I want it. It's not, she's not trying to work with us today. It's Little Women, there we go. It's Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. Everybody's read this too, not everybody, but a lot of people have read that in class too. I haven't. How long is she? She's not that long either. She's 180 pages, so she'll get done. And then I have Nora Roberts. Now she's a big fat massive kahuna. Nora Roberts Year One, which is basically about, like, I guess like the power goes out or some kind of like apocalypse things happen, and then magic starts to like surface through, and I'm like really excited to read it. But this is huge, and she's thick. She's 400 pages, so I'm gonna get to her, but I kind of feel like I should read Harry Potter before I get to her. But like, I'm also really wanting to get to her because I haven't finished Harry Potter yet. If you didn't know, drag me, I know. I'm on book 4, so I'm like so close to the end. 4 out of 7, so I'm trying to finish that. But those are all the books that I got, so I thought that was a cute little book. Awesome. Yeah. My earth is shattered. I don't know if I want to cry or scream, but I just read No Exit. I don't know why I read that book. I actually hate things like this, but I was just like, okay, I want to know what happens. I wish I would have just spoiled it for myself and not read the full book, like a loony. It was so good. 5 stars. I feel so many emotions. I feel so connected to the book, which is terrifying because the girl, she drives the same car as I do. Her mother's name is Maya, and they're from San Diego, where I'm from. No, too close. Didn't like the realness of it all. Absolutely terrifying. A great book. I don't want to ever think or talk about or read anything else like that again. I need to read some very happy things right now because I can't deal with any more sadness. Okay, so hey guys, so I finished 3 books in this reading vlog, and I think I'm gonna do my own like 24-hour readathon. I might like post it on Twitter, but if not, like I'll just do it by myself. And so I'm gonna end this vlog right here, but I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if you guys read these books, and if you did, like what did you think about them. And yeah.